There is currently a sale afoot for MetaQuest 3 games on the MetaQuest store. Now, I'm going over some of them, but if there are games that are on sale that you want, or if you in the future want to get games but you missed out on this sale because it will be going on from now until the 5th of July, so a day after the 4th of July is what the sale goes on till. But if you miss it again, you can use code TECH for 10% off games on the MetaQuest store. It supports the channel, it supports me and the channel, and you'll get 10% off. So again, feel free to use code TECH at checkout if you missed out on this sale, because this sale is currently, as I mentioned, going on right now. And sometimes you'll have to scroll through a bunch, but yeah, as you can see, there's lots of games that are on sale. Now, I do have some games that are on my wish list that are on sale too, such as one more deal. Okay, see, I put this on my wish list because it seems kind of interesting. I'm a fan of RPG games, and RPG in VR just like seems brilliant to me. So, yeah, definitely that. And have you guys checked out Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles? I don't know if it's specifically on sale. Again, if it's not on sale, you can still use code TAC at checkout for 10% off of the game, or any game really that supports it, which is most games. Again, that could support me and the channel as a whole. But let's go over some of the games that we know are on sale for sure. Okay, best of summer. I know it took us a while to get here. It might have seemed like I was rambling at the beginning. It's because I was low key looking for this exact page. But anyway, I digress. We have War of Wizards. We have Ghost of Tabar. We have Green Hill VR. We have Hard Bullet. I'm just going down the list and finding some of the ones that I Ancient Dungeon, because I'm a sucker for like the pixel art style thing, and I think it's so cool in VR, honestly. If I'm being perfectly honest, I'm a sucker for stuff like that. Okay, don't judge me. Let me know comment section below if you guys are a sucker for pixel style in VR as well, because I think it's interesting, because it's one of those things that it's not really pixel per se because it's in VR, but it still has that pixel look. But it's like a more three-dimensional pixel. It's as if you're looking at a block, but it's 3 dimensions instead of 2 dimensions. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Okay, I'm probably doing a terrible job explaining it. And then we have Blade, Blade and Sorcery on sale. That is interesting. And then we have quite a bit of stuff. Oh, some of this isn't necessarily on sale. Some of these are top picks. But if it's not on sale, like Beat Saber doesn't seem to be on sale, feel free to use code TECH at checkout for 10% off. Again, it supports me and the channel. Feel free to use it for 10% off, because not all of these are on sale, but a lot of them are on sale. Like Ancient Dungeon is on sale. Most of the games I mentioned up at the top of the list are on sale right now. And yeah, like I said, the big sale of up to 50% off is only till July 5th. So that is not that long from now. But again, you can use code TECH at checkout for 10% off if you miss this sale. It supports me and the channel. And I'm sure you're tired of hearing me say that, but I want to reiterate that as much as I can because I personally know how it is to miss a sale, you know. I hate that feeling of, FOMO, like fear of missing out type thing. So you may not get up to the full 50% off by using code TECH at checkout, but you will still at least get 10% off. And that's better than nothing off, okay? Because I'll be honest, I play so many games that have the whole fear of missing out thing. Okay, so yeah. I digress. I don't know how we got on this topic at all, but I'm going to call it here. I just wanted to mention to you guys about the sale that's going on, and I feel like I should end it here. So I'll catch you guys in the future. Later.